Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you guys what's inside this camera bag. But first, let's clean all this mess up. Okay guys, so let's begin this video with the backpack. So the backpack that I'm currently using is the Wandered Provoke 27 or 21, I don't remember, but it's 27 liters. It's a Provoke series, and I also so in love with this brand that I also have the sling bag from Wandered and a tech pouch that I'm going to show you later. It's a very great bag. I have it since 2019 and it lasts very good. The material is waterproof. It's a little bit heavy with all the things inside, but it's totally worth it because it can expand this part over here and carry more stuff, more than just your gear, so that's always help for us as a creators. In one side of the backpack I have this Ulanzi TT38 tripod. Is the Mantis pod, and also have a grip here. It's a very good tripod for the price. This brand also makes a lot of great stuff, so I recommend a lot this tripod. Talking about tripods, I'm currently using the K&F Concept tripod. It's a very good tripod. I have it for at least 4 months, and it works perfectly. It's very sturdy and it's a little bit heavy, but it does a pretty good job. Also, it allows me to take top shots. Works as a monopod and it's made from aluminum. Remember, all the links are in the description box below. In this side of the bag I have a compartment that I can access easily to my camera. I'm not going to open it because it's just a pocket. The good thing about this camera bag, it only can be opened from behind, so people with not good intentions cannot access to my gear. I can carry here a 16-inch laptop. It's soft inside and it has a cushion, I think, a cushion inside. And here is the camera box where I keep all my gear. First of all, let's start with the mic. The mic that I currently use is this Rode Mini. It's a very famous mic. I have it since 2018, I think. I have it for a long time and it's still working very great. It's not the best totally, but it do a great job. Also, I have the DJI mics. As you can see here, it's the first version, so it's nothing like the last technology, but it records a pretty good audio. So these ones are very good. I have it for a long time also, since 2022 I think, or 2023 maybe. Okay, also I always carry with me the Amaran M9. It's a pretty old light. It only gives you warm and cold tones. It's a pretty basic pocket light and maybe it's discontinued. Also, I have this case for my memory cards. Some of the best memory cards that I have is on my camera that I'm going to talk about later. So this is the layout of my camera bag. This pouch goes here. It's for my camera, for my main camera and my lens, and my principal lens. This is a tech pouch where I carry a lot of cables that I need. And also I always carry this charging brick from Ugreen, 65 watts, so I can charge my MacBook Pro with this brick. So moving to the lenses, I have these two prime lenses for a long time also. This is the 85mm 1.8 from Sony. It's a very good lens, especially for portraits. It does a great job. So the next lens is the 35mm 1.4 G Master. So I have this lens since 2023 I think, and it's so beautiful. The quality that I get from this lens is amazing. I always said that lenses are more important even than the camera, so I'm really happy with the lens. Sometimes I have some issues focusing in my camera, because the camera that I'm currently using is the Sony a7C. It's not the 7AC2, it's the 7AC, the regular one, the first generation. I have it since 2020. I have it a long time, 6 years, but I really like it. I don't see the necessity to upgrade from another camera because it's still working very good. 24 megapixels, enough for social media photos, 4K at 30 frames per second, and Full HD up to 120 frames per second. Cine 4, S-Log 3, but I think 10-bit color is missing and the Cine tone. Maybe I should upgrade to the A7 IV or the ZVE1. I don't know which one you recommend me, guys. Leave it in the comments down below which will be the best option. Okay, and my principal lens is the 16-25 G lens. It's from Sony. This lens is a 2.8 aperture and I love this lens. It's tiny, lightweight, and it doesn't cost as much as the 16-35 G Master lens. Also, I carry with me this small rig arm to have more interesting angles, these filters for my lenses, from Prim's lens effects, and batteries. Okay guys, all the product links are in the description box below. If you buy from those links, you will support this channel, so that will help me a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and that's what's in my camera bag for 2026. We will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.